Mr. Plate you use.
What's up, guys? This is Evo from Evo's Edible Creation, and since Corona canceled the Houston Livestock Rodeo, today I feel like I bring fried honey buns to your kitchen. What's up, fam? It looks like we're gonna do a voiceover for this video, so let's get right into it. Alright, so first we're gonna need all our ingredients to make our fried, delicious honey bun. You will need the mixing bowl, pancake batter, eggs, and some water. So as you all know, cooking is not my thing. So we about to eyeball all these measurements. Pour your batter, mix your water, and don't forget to add your eggs in until you get the consistency you want. If you notice a lot of cuts in this process, I had to call in a little help. Don't judge me. You know cooking is my struggle. Alright, so let's go to the stove. I already have my oil preheated. We don't use temperature 6 to see if it's hot. We just use water. See them bubbles? So that means the oil's ready. So now that we have our honey buns and our batter, I did not feel like searching for a spoon, so I just used my fingers. Make sure your hands are clean, guys. We don't need Rona overstaying her welcome. You don't want to keep them on one side for too long because you will burn them. Nope, the burnt honey buns I failed to turn over in time. There you have it. You can add powdered sugar or keep them plain. It's up to you. I dressed them up for a ground pig. Check out the description and follow me. But while you're down there, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time.